Good evening, sir. I'm Decadet Kimo Decembalain, and my topic is safe watermarks. So what is safe watermarks? Safe watermarks are used in maritime industry to indicate that there is a navigable water all around the mark. So they are used to help guide ships, boats, and indicating that the water is deep enough for them to pass safely. So they are typically used at the start of the buoyed channel when approaching a harbor from the sea, or indicate a landfall. So these marks plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety of the vessels and crew by preventing them from running aground or collision with underwater hazards. So it also assists in navigation, especially in poor visibility conditions. So safe watermarks has a color, shape, and light. In colors, we have red and white stripes are used for safe watermarks and distinguish them from black beaded danger marks. While in shape, we have spherical, pillar, and spire buoys are used as safe watermarks. So they are marks. In light, a white light occurring or opposite or showing a single long flash or Morse code. They use a Morse code A for safe watermarks when it is lighted. Thank you.
Good day, sir. This is Decadet Genre Ompan, and I'm going to discuss about the special marks. Special marks may be used to indicate to the mariner a special area or feature, the nature of which is apparent from reference to a chart, sailing directions, or notices to mariners. Special marks may be lettered to indicate their purpose. So, the uses include the marking of Ocean Data Acquisition System or the ODAS buoys, traffic separation schemes where the use of the conventional channel marking might cause confusion, though many schemes are marked by lateral and safe watermarks. Another function of special marks is to define a channel within a channel. For example, a channel for deep draught vessels in a wide estuary, where the limits of the channel for normal navigation are marked by red and green lateral buoys, may have the boundaries of the depth of the deep channel indicated by yellow buoys of the appropriate lateral shapes or its center line marked by the yellow spherical buoys. The next I'm going to discuss is the indication of the special marks. So first is the top mark. A single yellow X is the form of top mark used for a special mark when one is carried. The second one is the color. Yellow is the color used for special marks. And lastly, the shape. The shape of special buoys is optional, but they must not conflict with those used for a lateral or safe watermark. For example, an outfall buoy on the port hand side of a channel could be can-shaped but not conical. The last topic that I'm going to discuss is about the light of the special marks. So, a yellow light is used when one is exhibited. The rhythm may be any, other than those used for cardinal, isolated danger, and safe watermarks. The following are permitted examples: group occulting, flashing, group flashing with a group of 4, 5, or exceptionally 6 flashes. Composite group flashing, Morse code letters other than Morse code A, D, or U. In the case of ODAS buoys, the rhythm is group of flashing with a group of 5 flashes every 20 seconds. And lastly, the retroreflectors. One yellow band, an X, or a symbol are used as retroreflectors to distinguish unlighted special marks.
I'm Decadet Paslon Joseph Angelo, and I'm here to talk about the cardinal marks. Cardinal marks indicating navigable water to the named side of the marks. Cardinal marks have the same meaning in Region A and Region B. Top mark, 2 black cones. In North mark, black above yellow. In East mark, black with yellow band. In South mark, yellow above black. And West mark have yellow with black band. The flashes of the mark. In North mark, have very quick or quick white light. In East mark, have very quick 3 times in 5 seconds or quick 3 white light in 10 seconds. In South mark, very quick in 6 times in 10 seconds. or quick white light in 6 times. In Wismart, very quick 9 times in 10 seconds, or quick 9 white light in 15 seconds. The same abbreviation are used for light or spar buoys and beacons. The period have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, or may not always be charted. In isolated danger mark is stationed over dangers with navigatable water around them. The body of the isolated danger mark black with red horizontal band, and the top mark have 2 black spears. The safe water marks, the body of safe water marks red and white vertical stripes, and the top mark with red spears. Safe water marks such as mid, channel, or landfill marks. And the last one is the special mark, not primarily to assist navigation but to indicate the special failures. The body of the special mark is shape of optional yellow. The top mark is yellow X. And that's all.
Good day, sir. I'm going to report the chart symbols and abbreviations and Ayala Maritime Voyage System, or Ayala International Association of Lighthouse and Authorities. Were enforced, the Ayala system applies to all fixed and floating marks except lighthouse, sector lights, leading lights, and leading marks. Light vessels and land buys, the standard buoy or buoyage shapes are cylindrical, conical, and spherical, and pillar and spar. So, but variations may occur. For example, light floats. In the illustration below, only the standard buoy shapes are used in case of fixed beacons, let or unlet. Only the shape of the top mark is of navigational significance. Lateral marks are generally for well-defined channels. There are 2 international voyage. The international 2 voyage regions are A and B, where lateral marks differ. Port hand marks are red with cylindrical top marks. If any, lights are red and have any rhythm except FI 2 plus 1 are belong to Region A. Region A, preferred channel to starboard F1 2 plus 1 are if let. So preferred channel to port F1 or Fi 2 plus 1 G it let. Starboard hand marks are green with conical top marks. If any, light are green and have any rhythm except Fi 2 plus 1 close parenthesis G. So region B is port hand marks are green with cylindrical top marks. If any, lights are green and have any rhythm except Fi 2 plus 1 G. So preferred channel to starboard Fi 2 plus 1 close parenthesis G if lit. So preferred channel to port Fi 2 plus 1 close parenthesis R if lit. So starboard hand marks are red with conical top marks. If any, light are red and green are red and have any rhythm except Fi 2 plus 1 close parenthesis R. So a preferred channel buoy may also be a pillar or a spar. All preferred channel marks have 3 horizontal bands of color. where of exceptional reasons and authority consider that a green color for boys is not satisfactory, black may be used. So, symbols showing directions of voyage were not obvious. So, symbols showing directions of voyage were not obvious on multicolored charts, red and green circles colored as appropriate.